Hey, this is the money shot right here, you know what I'm saying?
You know where you're at? Here, this is where we're gonna start.
Why don't I try to run through it real quick without recording to do that?
Yeah, sure.
That way I got it. Alright, this is practice. Motherfucker Fred, he the captain. Every weekend it be happening. Motherfucker Fred, he's so rich. Hey, and I still live with my mama. He be eating that lobster. I be eating McDonald's. Motherfucker Fred got a boat. And he be driving it slow. Somebody brought him that cake. Motherfucking friend got a boat. And he be driving real slow. Motherfucking friend got a boat. Motherfucking friend got a boat.
What?
Motherfucking friend got a boat.
Who?
Motherfucking friend got a boat.
Where?
Motherfucking friend got a boat.
What?
Motherfucking friend got a boat.
Who?
Motherfucking friend got a boat.
What?
Motherfucking friend got a boat.
Who?
My fucking friend's got a boat. My fucking friend's got a boat. My fucking friend's got a boat.
The cedar got about 20 on packed in. You know I'm showing up early, just so I got me a spot.
Anybody knows whose phone this is?
So fancy though.
Yeah.
Got about 20 on packed in. You know I'm showing up early, hey, just so I got me a spot.
Yeah, I think we can call it night. We got a lot done. Because we're gonna be doing some work on it tomorrow too.
I think we should do more if we can.
Okay.
Motherfucking free, he the captain. Every weekend it be happening. It's only a 10-seater. Got about 20 on his pack.